Come test drive the 2023 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, front-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.